Looking to breathe new life into your Dell Inspiron, Vostro, or Optiplex desktop? Today, we're diving into the LXun AC180EBS-00, a 180W power supply replacement designed for a range of Dell models, including the Inspiron 3910, Vostro 3690 and 3710, and several Optiplex series like the 3990, 3991, 3900, 3901, 5000, and 7000 metric tons. This power supply aims to be a compatible and reliable alternative to the original Dell unit. It supports several Dell part numbers, including F3J97, NC77H, T685J, and others, ensuring it fits a wide array of systems. The LXun AC180EBS-00 is designed as a replacement for models like H180EBS-00, AC180EBS-00, L180EBS-00, and D180EBS-00. The power supply operates within a 100-240V input range at 50 to 60 Hz, drawing 3.0A. It provides a maximum DC output of 180W, sufficient for the specified Dell systems. Connectivity is straightforward with an 8-pin plus 4-pin configuration. One crucial point to note is the importance of visual confirmation. While the compatibility list is extensive, LXun advises users to carefully compare the product image with their existing power supply. This step is essential to avoid compatibility issues, even if your computer model is listed. LXun offers a 1-year warranty, reflecting confidence in the product quality. Each power supply undergoes rigorous testing before leaving the factory. If you're seeking a replacement power supply for your Dell desktop, the LXun AC180EBS-00 is worth considering, provided you double-check the visual compatibility. It could be a cost-effective solution to keep your system running smoothly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.